Hello! Today I will unbox and test this K&F Variable ND2 455mm size B-series filter. It's a versatile tool for photographers and videographers, offering several notable features. Adjustable light reduction. This filter allows you to reduce light exposure from 1 to 9 stops. Durable and lightweight. The filter features an ultra-slim aluminum alloy frame, measuring just 7 mm in thickness. The only problem with this ND filter is that it doesn't have hard stops. If you turn it further than necessary, black edges appear. Another thing is that you would need at least 16 fingers to use this ND filter with a lens that has a lens hood. But once the filter is mounted, you can't get the lens hood on. Otherwise, this K&F Variable ND2 400 filter is very good.